Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, in a small corner of the vast universe, a tiny planet was born, Earth. It formed from a cloud of dust and gas as particles coalesced in a gravitational dance. Over millions of years, intense volcanic activity and meteorite impacts shaped its surface, while the primitive atmosphere began to form, rich in carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases. Over hundreds of millions of years, Earth transformed. Waters covered most of its surface, creating vast and deep oceans. Around 3.5 billion years ago, in these warm waters, the first forms of life emerged, single-celled microorganisms. This was the beginning of the life cycle on the planet, where photosynthesis started releasing oxygen, gradually transforming the atmosphere. As millions of years passed, life on Earth evolved. During the Paleozoic era, which began about 541 million years ago, there was a burst of life known as the Cambrian explosion. Marine organisms like trilobites and brachiopods dominated the oceans. Then, plants began to colonize the land, followed by insects and the first vertebrates. The Mesozoic era, which began around 252 million years ago, brought about the age of the dinosaurs. These majestic reptiles dominated Earth for over 160 million years. Meanwhile, the first birds appeared and flowers began to bloom. But the age of the dinosaurs came to an end about 66 million years ago, likely due to a meteorite impact that caused drastic climate change. With the extinction of the dinosaurs, the Cenozoic era began. Mammals, which until then had been small and nocturnal creatures, started to diversify. About 2.5 million years ago, Earth experienced a series of glaciations that shaped ecosystems. Meanwhile, on the African continent, between 4 and 2 million years ago, the first hominids appeared, such as Australopithecus. These bipedal ancestors began to walk upright, allowing them to explore their surroundings in new ways. Over time, the genus Homo began to evolve. Homo habilis appeared about 2.4 million years ago, followed by Homo erectus, which showed a significant increase in brain size and the creation of more complex tools. These innovations were crucial for their survival and adaptation. Finally, about 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens emerged. With a larger brain and advanced cognitive abilities, this species began to develop sophisticated tools, art, and complex social structures. Modern humans began migrating out of Africa about 70,000 years ago, exploring and colonizing new territories. From its humble beginnings as a fiery planet to becoming a home for the human species, Earth has undergone countless changes. Life, in its diverse forms, has evolved, adapted, and transformed over millions of years. Today, Homo sapiens continue the story, facing new challenges while exploring their place in this vast and ancient universe.